Hi, my name is Kulawani Mapondo, midfielder from AmaZulu, jersey number 5. Come from Howick in the township called Mpopomeni.
Okay. Kulawani, if you could just briefly tell us, how did you end up here at AmaZulu?
Everything happened so fast because the club was speaking to my previous club, Maritzburg United, and they came into a deal, they came into an agreement, and I was told to move this side. That's how it all happened, and the rest was history.
Okay, and just briefly, in terms of the two coaches that you've worked under at AmaZulu, how do you see Craig Rossi as a coach? What sort of tactics is used as to compared to the previous coach?
I think our previous coach is a good coach also, and he's got his own beliefs. And unfortunately, things didn't work out for him, which is normal in football. And with Craig Rossi, I would say he's a good coach, and he wants us to play the ball, to keep the ball on the deck, which is his favorite word, to keep it on the deck. So yeah, he's a good coach, and he's been doing well for the club.
And the new signings in the team, how do you think they've settled with everybody else?
Yeah, I think the new signings have done well. The players have came in and they've came to the party. The coaches made sure that he placed the right players in the team, because last year he did mention that he was going to strengthen up the squad here and there. I think that has happened and it's working for us. Since you can see this year, we are unbeaten in the league. So obviously there are things that we are doing that are right, that we should keep on doing. So yeah.
And your personal goals for the season, if you reach them, or is it you're still trying to get there since the season is still a long way to finish?
No, with me personally, I think I'm doing well at the club, and I've done well since starting my career as a professional footballer in the PSL. I just need to take it one game at a time and see how far I can go with my career. But I'm happy with the progress so far, because from my previous team and my current team now, AmaZulu, I've been a regular player, and that's what I'm happy about myself, that I've been able to get be part of the starting lineup in the team.
And you're still a young player, so what are your future goals? Say in two seasons, 2 years time?
Yeah, mentioning being a young player, I know I'm still young, but in this game there's no young players nowadays, and there's no old players. We are all professionals, and we should do the job. When you go out there, they don't see you as a young player or an old player. They just make sure that you just need to make sure that you do your job properly as a professional. I mean, like, I can't take myself as a young player anymore, because I've been like in the PSL for like 5 seasons now. I came like 2008 when I came to the PSL. Okay. Yes, I'm still learning. You never stop learning in this game, whether you're old or young. But I can't always have that mentality that I'm a young player. I need to take myself as a professional, whether I'm young or old. I need to do the job. But yes, I still have a long way to go.